Guys! Hindi kayo maniniwala. Nakikita niyo yan, ha? Nakikita niyo yan? Yung makeup ko, andyan pa din. So, nag-church kami. Around 4:30 p.m. umalis kami dito sa bahay. And it's 7 p.m. na, guys. Grabe. Parang ayaw ko siyang tanggalin. I feel pretty today. Like, after namin mag-church, naglakad pa kami. From church to palengke. Tapos kumain kami ng lechon. Natanggal yung lipstick ko, guys. Pero ngayon yan. Ang ginawa ko lang retouch pag-uwi is yung lip balm with SPF 25 na to, guys. Ng BLK. Yun lang. Grabe, miss na miss ako. At totoo talaga yung claims niya totoo talaga yung claims niya na all day no sebum blur powder. As in, must try talaga to, guys. Doctor sensitive, press natural. Press natural. Try nyo, guys. As in, hindi ako nagdala ng retouch. And I really feel like I'm so pretty today. Di ba, kids? Pretty si tita? So nyo rin, guys, try nyo. Lagay ko sa yellow basket. Yun lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Banana.